Today I'm making white chocolate blondies. This is going to taste great for those snacks. What I have here, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven is nice and hot. You're going to take an 8-inch square pan. You want to overlap it to line with aluminum foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And just going to set this aside. Starting with, put the white ingredients into a large bowl. Let's put 8 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm also going to put 1 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. I'm just going to plop that in here. And just going to break all the brown sugar so the butter to dissolve into this. Get that nice and smooth. Then I'm going to add 2 large eggs. Make sure it's room temperature. I'm going to put that one at a time. We'll get that really incorporated. So pop the first egg. Let's do the last. And you're going to use it with a wooden spoon. That might be a lot helper. I'm also going to pour 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Just keep going. And we're going to set this aside for momentarily. We are going to be moving on for the dry ingredients. So in this separate bowl, I'm going to put in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm also going to put 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to stir all the way around. I'm going to use it with a wire whisk. Now you want to add the dry to the wet. Stir it all the way around. I'm going to switch it from the wooden spoon to the rubber spatula. Alright, so let's put every dry ingredients over here. Take this rubber spatula. Going to get that generously filled. We're almost there. Let's fill in 1 cup of white chocolate morsels. Gonna be a chocolate taste. Just fold it in. Once again, I'm going to use it with a rubber spatula. Once that fold into for the white chocolate morsels with those batter, we're going to pour it into a prepared pan. Can you see that? Might be quick and easy. Alright, you can go ahead, just pour this batter that we spray with non-stick cookie spray has been overlined with aluminum foil into the prepared pan. I like to sprinkle remaining 1/2 cup of white chocolate morsels to sprinkle right on top. That's going to be for the chocolate taste. Hope you're going to have that pretty much of the white chocolate inside with the blondies. Once that's done, after you just sprinkle, the oven's just waiting for me. We're going to pop this in the oven. It has been already preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake these for 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And the chocolate with morsel stays together. We're almost finished sprinkling of the chocolate chips. With this white chocolate, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Here we are, guys. Blondie just ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Gonna put this on the wire rack. Keep it cool to rest it for 40 minutes. And you can see it. The blondie just puffs over all the way onto the top almost. And we're going to let that rest to cool for 40 minutes. It's been cool and rest after 40 minutes. I decided I can use the toothpick to check the blondies right into the center of that. And it almost comes out really clean. Can you see that? The toothpick comes out clean. So once that after cool for 40 minutes to rest, you can go ahead to lift this foil up from the pan. Then give that a 1. Now I just transferred to place it onto the cutting board. Always have to peel off the aluminum foil. You see that it doesn't get stick. I'm going to cut this right here. That's about 16 of the squares. I'm going to use the one with a very sharp knife. Hopefully that's going to work almost for the white chocolate blondies. Gotta be almost raw in the middle. That'd be gonna taste great. So here is the finish, white chocolate blondies. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.